down, pulling me through the darkness, try to take all I had. Chase me down, I ain't going nowhere. Pulling me through the darkness, try to take all I had. Chase me down, yeah. How am I supposed to live when there's no life left inside me? And how am I supposed to die when I got so much to live? Cause I wanna turn back, cause ahead is really hazy. But instead I keep walking through the fog, guided by the Father alone. So I'ma keep pushing through the pain, cause in the end I reach tranquility. And Satan tries to shoot me down, but I'm dodging all his bullets, for he'll never get the best of me. Yeah, so come on, better chase me down. Come on, better chase me down, cause I'm not gonna fall again. Come on, better chase me down. Come on, better chase me down, cause I'm not gonna fall again. Holding me back is myself. As the world keeps going, I'm sitting here wishing that I'm always trying to chase my path, and slowly realizing I can't. So I'ma keep looking ahead, cause in the end we held the promised land. And who were there to stop me now? I'm sorry but you can't, and now you're gonna have to chase me. Yeah, so better chase me down. Then my better chase me down, cause I'm not gonna fall again. Then my better chase me down. Then my better chase me down, cause I'm not gonna fall again. Chase me down, I ain't going nowhere. Pulling me through the darkness, try to take all I had. Chase me down, yeah. Pulling me through the darkness, try to take all I had. Chase me down, I ain't going nowhere. Pulling me through the darkness, try to take all I had. Chase me down, I ain't going nowhere.